Right, folks, we are all finished here. It took 3 teams here. The detail studio, Trevor, Juan and Kate.
Shineworks, Ryan, get it right.
Shineworks Sprint.
Yes, sir.
There you go. He said it, not me. And then Maro's Premium Mobile Auto Detailing. 3 teams, 2 days to get this fleet of vehicles done for this high school here. What's the name of the school again?
This is going to be Gilbert Christian's.
Gilbert Christian High School, I believe it's called.
Yeah, Gilbert Christian High School.
And so it's a total of 18 vehicles that got taken care of inside and outside, basic wash. There's nothing basic about what we do. It's basically a wash, tire shine, and then interior wipe down and vacuum. These guys are ready to go. School year kicks off and they're going to be rolling on a nice clean vehicle, and they're going to do their thing, and then next quarter, guess what? We're going to be right back here doing it again. Let's go ahead and do a walkthrough here. These things were dirty, but not extremely dirty, filthy. You know what I mean? It was just had wrappers, candy, snacks. What else did I find in there? No goldfish. These kids are a little bigger than that. Nails. I don't know why people are cutting their nails in there, but found that in there too. Trimming their nails. But here's the fleet of buses. These were cleaned up. Look at those nice cleaned wheels and shiny tires. Yeah. These buses are ready to go. This trailer did not get cleaned, but we'll be happy to take care of it next time if they want us to. Doesn't look like they need it, but it's always optional. These buses all got the handy dandy treatment by us 3 detailers here, 3 entrepreneurs that pulled in together. So don't be selfish, folks. Network with other detailers in the area. Make friends with them, because jobs like this get offered, and if you don't have any allies that can back you up, you're gonna have to decline this job, and then we're gonna take it and we're gonna say, yeah, we got the team, we can do this. Hey, anybody want to go on a sprint? I'm slow as hell. Anyone can beat me, but not when it comes to detailing cars. I'm fast as lightning. Boy, you better wear your Nikes. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, folks. It is hot. It's almost 11 o'clock in the morning here, and July 3rd. I believe tomorrow's 4th of July, but these vehicles are ready to go. Turn around here again. Thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button, the subscribe button, leave a comment on there, you know. Make friends with your detailers. It's so much easier to do business when you run across big jobs like this. Let me show you here. Juan's truck over there that has a ton of water. And then Trevor and I, we just have our low profile 55 gallons. So without him, we'd struggle. We would not be able to get this done. Neither him, neither myself. One might be able to, but not in 2 days. Again, network pays off. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Have a good day.